Manage your Dropline credit facility on the go, anytime and anywhere through the Aditya Birla Capital Finance app. If you are a new user, tap on the Play Store or App Store icon. Search for Aditya Birla Capital Finance app and tap Install to download the app. Register by entering your PAN and registered mobile number. Tap on Send OTP and enter the 6-digit one-time password. After registration is complete, choose an MPIN. Set your biometric preference for login. On the home screen, click on My Loans to access all your active loan accounts. Select the loan account to reach the dashboard, where you will get a complete overview of the account at a glance. To make a payment, click Online Payment. Enter the amount, select your relationship with the account holder and proceed to pay. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the transaction. Alternatively, you can also make payment using the virtual account details available here, as well as in the welcome letter. To view or download loan documents, click Important Documents on the dashboard. Select the loan account number, choose the document type, enter the date and click Proceed. Your document will be available right away. For disbursement, click Request for Disbursement on the dashboard. Check your available balance/limit, account details and enter the amount. Verify your request using an OTP and check the box to confirm your bank details before clicking Proceed. A confirmation message will be displayed once your request is submitted. The app also makes it convenient to update personal information like phone number and email address. Simply open the slide-out menu and tap on Profile. Choose the information you want to update, enter the OTP and verify. The Aditya Birla Capital Finance app is designed for simplicity so that you can manage your loan at your fingertips anytime, anywhere.